Today we will talk about HTML elements. Note, any information in this video is only show information intended to be seen and you shouldn't memorize it. Just watch and listen well. Any site, for example YouTube, is a group of HTML elements that come together and form the final shape of the page, which is what you are watching right now. Okay, so if you want to see the elements that make up the page, you will press right click and choose view page source. Okay, and these are the elements that make up this page. And if you want to appear more professional, just click Ctrl plus U. Okay, and if you want to know, or more accurately, the investigation of the elements of a specific shape, this shape, okay, press right click on it and then choose inspect, and you will see the codes for this element. And now, in order to download the text editor, open Google Chrome or Firefox, okay, and type download and download Visual Studio Code, and then choose this site and then choose the appropriate version for your device and then download it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And remember, the learning doesn't stop here. Be sure to check out my other videos for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding. See you in the next video.